Time. I've been thinking about you lately. How you've passed so quickly, like water slipping out of my hands. When we were children, time spread out before us like the horizon, endless, aglow with promise. Decades on, I find myself still young, but old enough to see that horizon shrinking, closing in. Seasons change, thousands of faces pass. Hellos are easy, goodbyes not so. Love comes and then goes, where, who knows? Loss leaves lessons, for every love, a letting go. As tomorrows become yesterdays, and old resolutions fade, the questions come and then remain. What does it mean? Is any of this worth it? Does it get any easier? Will I ever find what I'm looking for? What's the point when the universe is so vast and we are so small? Do I even have a place in the grand scheme of it all? But here on this planet, our one special blue dot, though we are tiny specks on a lonely boat in a sea of stars, to know another soul is to find that every human heart is as deep as an ocean, and that we're here for a moment in the eyes of infinity isn't a tragedy. It's a miracle.
Hindi ko na alam ginawa ko.
This is Marcy.